Let's now shift the focus to the commodity markets. We have Manisha joining in with the latest. Manisha, I wonder if you managed to look away from crude because that's the one that's grabbing all the global attention, right? What are you tracking right now?
Well, yes, crude oil prices after the 2 days of decline have stabilized a bit. So trying to look at other commodities at this point in time. So I'm looking at metals, and precious metals and industrial metals really seem to be trading in two different directions. I'll talk about precious metals first, where we have seen the gold prices continue to gain. Remember, 2685 is an all-time high, and we're not trading too far away from those kind of levels. And this is even as geopolitical tensions seem to have simmered a bit. We've seen crude oil prices come off because of that, but not gold. Gold continues to hold on the higher side, and we've seen 29% of gains happen in this year itself. And by the way, with those kind of gains, gold is headed for the best annual gain in 14 years. I mean, that's the kind of surge that we've seen in prices. 37 occasions in this year when you have seen all-time highs, yet all-time highs in this year itself. Well, if you look at the markets itself, we are looking at traders putting a probability of 90% for a 25 basis point rate cut in the month of November. Now, that has been factored in. For the gold prices to run further from here, we really need to see some more strength for that matter. Silver also has followed gold, 1% of gains in the overnight market, and silver has gained 32% in this year until now. Also, we are looking at silver prices much off its all-time highs of 49 that we saw in 2011. So more people believe that silver could outperform going forward from here. But then when you come to industrial metals, well, we have seen a bit of a decline in this week until now. Overnight markets were not too strong. There has been a lack of details on China's stimulus. China export numbers have come in on the weaker side. Is the reason we've seen copper prices decline 1.5%, 3-week lows onto that one. Aluminum is trading at off 3-month highs as well. You have nickel prices trading at a 3-week lows right now. Even as individual fundamentals here and there are positive, especially for aluminum, where there is a bauxite shortage coming in from Guinea, and that has led to higher TC numbers as well. But even with that, there is profit taking across board that we have seen. And finally, the kind of data that is coming in this week will tell you on where the prices will move from here. You have U.S. retail sales, industrial production, and jobless claims coming in on this week, and the further cues would come in from this.
Okay, all right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. So that's basically what we are watching out for on commodities. Let's focus